The seagulls. Oh no. No, don't bring the seagulls in. They're super mean. Here goes another one dive bombing. This is why we don't feed them here. They're fighting hard. Hopefully he stops. Hey, that's why we don't feed them. The seagulls, that's why we don't feed them. They'll attack you, be careful. They eat meat. All of a sudden, here's all the seagulls. Duck's like, thank you.
Okay, let's go to Aldi's.
Look at all these ducks around us. Look up. Two pretzels and all of a sudden we got seagulls everywhere. Just dive bombing it. Boosh, boosh.